Hello everyone, my name is Jacob. I'm going to show you some easy way to do SketchUp model in SketchUp. So I'll start from the basics. First, you have to arrange the interface. You have to press the center button of the mouse so you can rotate and you can arrange your interface according to what you need. So this is a 3D space. Here you have like up arrow, the blue axis, and the green axis and red axis. So if I draw a rectangular, if I press here, it's a rectangle. When I draw a rectangular, then you can see how it forming on the this 3D space. So this is the human representing how big is your 3D model. So you can easily press move button, this one, and just move this one on the right side. So if you wanted to zoom to your interface, you just need to zoom it, and you can zoom out also. And after that, you just need, for example, I'm just trying to show you how to make some very simple 3D house. For example, I will create this plinth. For example, for print creating here, there is a icon called push and pull button. Press that one and push it a little bit. It's like 45 standard. So you can see here is like in meter. So if you want to change it into another unit, you have to go to window, model info. So there you can find units. In this units you can change it to centimeter or meter or millimeter, whatever you wish. Then after that you can set it's already like, sorry, so for example like this, and you can already like push like 45 centimeter, 45. Then you can get the plane. The very important thing to learn about SketchUp, whenever you create something, you have to always make it into group or a component. So for example, after creating everything, just select all, then right click and make a group. So the the point of making a group you will understand later. So it will, I will explain it to you after a while. So after creating this group, you can actually create one mouse rectangular, then create like same on top of it. The SketchUp image, you can, whenever touch on some interface, SketchUp automatically understand it's on top of the screen, top of the surface actually. So just select and draw like this, like as you wish, and you can push it like 3 meters, so 300. So now you got this height of this wall. Now select as I said and make a group. And after making a group, you can see like everywhere, you can see like this, and you can double click on this group, and there is an option called offset. Then you have to select, just click on it and drag it. Then you can easily choose like 24, then enter. So type 24 and press enter. Then what you have to do is you have to just type push and pull. For shortcut is P. Then from top to bottom just pull it, like you pull it like normal, something like just click on it and drag it down. Then you can see when you drag it down till the bottom, it disappears. So then after that you click outside, and you can see there is like a wall and there's a plinth. Then what you can, now you have to create a door, yeah, or as whatever you wish. You wanted to create steps. So what you have to do is you have to just select and type like 120, it's like 300. Just imagine like you're drawing on the 3D, so it's automatically work on like that. Whenever you draw a line, it automatically snaps on the exact plane, so you don't need to worry about your drawing on different plane. So after that you can create steps. For example, this is 15. Then remember, make a group. Then after that you just create another one. Then you can double click, then you can push it like normal steps how it looks. Then you have to make one more thing. When you copy from group, it remains as a group, so you don't need to worry about creating one more group. So now after that, double click and push it one more time, like 30. So as you can see, there is steps now. So now you would like to see some doors on the wall. Yes, so what you have to do is you have to just click lines. You have to press line, then you have to see if it's like you can draw on top of it. You can see like this one, like this you draw. Then after that, double click on this one, just wall group, and select like draw the line from top to bottom like 200. Then create 120, then create down. So to check if this is like created like separate face, you have to double check. Oh, this is separate now. Yeah, so you have to always double check if it's separate. Then after that you have to push this one to this edge of it. I'll show you one more time. You have to select the push button and push it till the one more time. You have to press this one, hold this one, and push. Keep clicking it, drag till this end. Yeah. So now you see it's disappeared. So it's created a 3D space. Now you can erase this extra line. We got this. That's like an reference line. So it's the same thing with this doors. So first create this reference line, then create one more, then you create like 80. So you create one more, then create randomly. See, now you can see there's a face extra formed because this face on top of the group, that's why. So you have to just delete this face, and what you have to do, you have to just double click on this group, the wall group, then you have to select from top to bottom. So then after that you can delete this lines we draw. So now you can just, for example, if you wanted to create like more window, so for example I just created like this, so each face is different as you can see. So after that you have to do the same, click on it, click the push and pull option and click on it and push it to the end. Now after you push one you can do, actually you can double click on this another one, so it will do same push for this one. So double click, so you can see. So for seeing this one a little more aesthetic, you just pull a little bit up, so just push it there. So now you can see this is a basic of SketchUp, and of course you would like to see some roof. For now, for the first video I'm just showing basic roof like a square roof. So what you have to do, just select the square and click on end of the corner and drag it to the end of the corner. Then it created one flat, and what you have to do, just push it like 20 centimeter. Then as I told you from the beginning, you always have to create a group. Then what you have to do, just copy it again. Oh no, you don't have to copy it. What you have to do is just select rectangular, and select all edge corner of this edge, and create like square rectangular till this. So now you have to see, you can select it, like you can see this dot, that means this interface is selected. So after that you can just type like 10. You have to offset one more time, 15, sorry, 20. Then you just have to push it like 90. And after you created this face, you can see it's a different face. You can push it like 90. See, it's a basic house. And if you wanted to see some shadows for this house, there's an option in view toolbars. Then you can select, sorry, my computer, yeah, you can select an option called shadows. So if you select option shadows, it will appear here. So after appearing, you can just click on the shadows, then you can see, you can change the type of shadows, which part you want to see. So for example, if you wanted to put the human inside the house, select this human, select the move button, push the human inside, and see how big is this house, how it is. To rotate and see the space, you just need to select the center click of the mouse and rotate. So that's for now. I'll come up with more videos. Please subscribe to uh, subscribe for uploading quality videos. It would be really helpful. If more people are watching, I can upload more quality educational videos. Thank you for watching my videos. Have a great day.